AquaGuard.
Hi, I'm Joe Rusk, co-owner of AquaGuard Foundation Solutions. As you know, Atlanta weather can change on the fly. And oftentimes when it rains, it pours. And when it pours, our waterproofing division gets thousands of calls from homeowners in anguish over damp or wet basements or crawl spaces. Many times homeowners ask us, why do we have to wait weeks to get our work installed? Can't you get out here any quicker? You know, my answer is always the same. Beware of any company that is not busy when it's raining heavy. You see, we used only trained, certified employees, no subcontractors, and no day labor. And it takes time to properly train these installers before we are willing to put them in your home. After all, you wouldn't want some temporary worker getting on-the-job training in your house, would you? Remember, you only pay for the job once, but you live with the results forever. There's a reason why your favorite restaurant has a waiting list down the street and the one next to it doesn't. At AquaGuard, we are definitely worth the wait. So hang in there, and until next time, have a great day from all of us at AquaGuard Foundation Solutions.